this is the project we did together with the Hasselt PXL-MAD School of Design and IPCA Barcelos School of Design, mixing students, mixing teachers into the international and also interdisciplinary teams, because we included engineers, we included researchers, we included guests invited from the USA, from Japan, and they met us into the virtual space of the internet.
What is special about our BIP in terms of how we organized it, we kind of took on an iterative structure where each year follows up on what has been done in the previous year. So we, of course, needed to start somewhere, which was by a more theoretical laying out a theoretical framework, which we did in the first year in Hasselt. And the findings, insights which gained in the first year, we took to the second year, which took place here in the PJATK in Warsaw. Because of the huge technological equipment and expertise and skill this school has, the project got further developed on that part, with also interesting online lectures given by, for example, people of Morisawa, who was also involved. Monica Marek gave an online talk. And then the last year was actually this academic year in Barcelos in Portugal, where we took on the task of seeing how that these projects which got funded in the first year, how they could be implemented in real life. And those experiences were further enriched by online talks of Johanna Drucker, which is a well-known graphic design theoretician, and Dave Croston, who works for Google Fonts.
So I truly believe that this blended intensive program designed for digital reading has been enriching from several perspectives. Not only from the process, but also the collaborations and how we managed to put students from the partnerships from PJATK, IPCA and PXL-MAD into teams, which offers them critical thinking, which offers them cultural perspectives in which they need to think about how we need to design for digital matter. Based on the outcomes, what has been exhibited in the exhibition at the Public Library, we could already see several categories popping up into the projects. For example, one is inclusivity, that is representing diverse needs and perspectives. Then we could see kind of immersive engagement, where we are trying to focus upon the enhancing memory through the interactive experiences of the readers. Then a third theme that we saw popping up was the critical thinking aspect, in where we can explore narratives from multiple perspectives due to the technology that is offered to us.
Our project is interactive language learning platform for kids. It's called Letter Dance, and our main concept is to create an application, a platform where kids can learn alphabet and basic sounds. We start with basic vowels of English, and then we go smoothly from vowels to consonants and the whole alphabet. The main idea was to make it interactive and to make children engage in this process, because we know that it's hard to make them engage and interested now, especially when we are talking about language and learning and everything else. So we tried to make it as much interactive as we could and as much bright as we could. As you can see here, it's like our main screen, and we made it like an idea of 4 seasons, when you can move from season to season and learn different letters of English language.
I am super grateful to Professor Ewa Satelenska to give me this opportunity to participate in design this beautiful exhibition for BIP program. What I can say from my perspective, it's actually gave me a lot of experience in creating, in communicated with teachers from other schools, from other countries. And also I'm super grateful to actually view those beautiful works that focus not only on physical objects, but also connected with the digital stuff like VR, with motion design, with books, with t-shirts, with QR codes.
We wanted our readers to engage in an immersive digital way of storytelling. So we used VR, and the VR will enhance the digital experience. So it's a simple way to change the traditional way of reading to a digital way.
So in our school and together with our friends from the other schools, we try to teach people really interdisciplinary, internationally, across the cultures, I may say, to share experience, to be really diverse, inclusive, and to keep equality for all of the participants and the readers.
Yes, people are forgetting how to adapt to the different reading formats and surfaces, and I think we raised some awareness in this group of young people to that. So I'm very happy to have met this beautiful team of teachers and institutions.